Hello, second and third graders. Happy Friday. Excited to get to math and excited to get to sevens for today. Hopefully you can feel getting to the end of all of our math facts. We're getting close. We're getting up there. End of the math facts is going to mean right about end of the school year. So we're getting very, very close to being at sevens. We'll start off today with a small one, get big, then we'll work more on those word problems today. So right away, I'm just going to take it back. We'll keep it simple. 7 times 2. Keeping it, remember a couple ways we can do it. Skip count by 2 7 times if we want to go backwards. Or if we want to keep following our rule, 7 circles, 2 in each. Get us there. Count our circles up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 dots in our 7 circles. And our answer is 14. All right. Again, we talked yesterday about as we get to the bigger problems, sometimes that array works better. Sometimes you still might like to just draw your circles. Whatever you would like is just fine with me. I'm going to do a double here today. Doubles are always fun. 7 times 7 equals, here's our double. If you're a third grader, we can probably think back 7 times 7, bugs in a line. That would make us think about an array. So, you know what? Why don't we do an array? We'll think bugs in a line. That just means 7 rows of 7. So it's hard to go wrong there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do that 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. I'm doing my best to stay in my line. I know I'm arcing downwards, but at least my lines line up. There we go. Maybe can't see in the sun, but 7 lines is 7. Then I just count my dots. If I count them all up, I'll notice I had 49 lines there. 49. All right. Keep on going here. Thinking about word problems. Now remember, when we're thinking about multiplication, we know that we get 2 parts, and those 2 parts are going to make our answer get bigger, 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 bigger. So you might see something with a problem like a part. Could be, a lot of times it's people. 7 girls go to ballet class. Each girl brings in 2 sets of shoes, 2 pairs of shoes. One for dance, one for the outdoors. So one for indoors, one for outdoors. How many shoes are in the dance classroom total? I'll see if I can clean that up. 7 girls enter a ballet classroom. Each girl has 2 pairs of shoes. How many total shoes are in the classroom? So now, with something like that, we've got to think a little bit more. We know there's 7 girls. Times, each girl has 2 pairs of shoes. Well, we know there's 2 shoes in a pair, but if you have 2 pairs of shoes, that means you've actually got 4 shoes. Math problems will trick you like that sometimes. So our problem is 4 times 7. Then we know we're doing multiplying because we're asking how many shoes are in the classroom in all total. That means we're going to get a bigger number. All right, so we can do that just however we want. I would think 7 girls means 7 circles. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 circles, and give them all their 2 pairs of shoes. 1 pair of shoes, 2 pair of shoes. Just like that for everybody. We can count as we go. 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 4, 7 times 4 has got to be 28. There we go. All right. That's where we'll stop with our multiplication today. You guys seem to be getting a really good hang of it. If you're hanging on around, third graders hanging around for division, second graders that choose to stay on with me. Otherwise, second graders, good luck on your assignment. Division, same type of thing. Always remember, and I just want to make sure I do one example every single day when we do that, when we get those bigger numbers now that we're going to see. So I might see, 63 divided by 7. 63 divided by 7. All right, big numbers. So remember, again, as big a circles, use as much space as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I did here is, even though I couldn't get them all the same size, I tried to make longer ones that had to be skinny, so I had 7 in all. And just start putting them in, count as you go. But make sure you have a system. That's something that maybe we haven't talked about. Make sure you have a system so you're not going all over the place. And my diagram isn't great for a system, but I might just go up, down, up, down, up, down, up until, so I know when I've got to start back at the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. All right, I can stop. And I know I probably got my answer right because I ended on my last one. Hopefully you guys saw that pattern that I went with. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I knew when to start over, and I make sure that every circle got the same amount of dots. And then to get my answer here, I just have to count one of them here. I'll do this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dots in each circle, meaning 63 divided by 7 equals 9. That's getting very close to about as big of a drawing as we can do, and I was still able to do that in probably under 2 minutes. So make sure you use those drawings if you're not sure. As far as our word problems go, just the opposite of multiplication, remember. And division actually gets easier with bigger numbers because it's easier to identify the whole. Because when we get a number like 63, which we just did, we know that's probably not going to be a part, especially in second or third grade. Maybe once you're in 6th grade, but not quite yet. So when you get those division problems like that, draw that out, draw your part, and then divide your whole out like that. It'll take a minute or so, but not much longer. Good luck on your work today. Ask questions if you need to.